Hello, hello. How are you guys? I hope you're doing much better than I am because I'm clearly not. I don't know if I mentioned, oh my god, I think I did not mention what happened on my birthday. I think I should talk about it before my aunt comes. Oh my god. I almost blacked out with all that happened. It was so dramatic. I haven't even prepared what I'm gonna speak. I just came to show up, and this is me showing up today, surviving. Okay, I'll just share what's going on in my mind. Like this morning, I woke up. I barely could fall asleep last night, and this morning, when I woke up, aunt opened the door. I'm scared to speak. I was deep sleeping, and that opening of the door woke me up. I was a little irritated, not gonna lie, because I was deep sleeping and suddenly I'm up. And now I'm not in deep sleep anymore. I'm like awake, and this guy is working on the monitor, something he's doing, and the keyboard sound, the keys sound, and the mouse clicking, it was hitting on my head so badly. I said, please don't do it for like 5 minutes. Let me go back to sleep. He barely listened. And then my aunt opens the door again, this time giving him a cup of tea or something to him where he's working on the desk. I saw that, felt bad, and now my heart is racing. I cannot go back to sleep now. I try to sleep and I tell him once again, don't do that keys and that clicking sound. So he went out and he came back again. He's working again. I'm like, okay, fine. I'm not gonna fall asleep like this. I might as well get up. But my brain has to process things. Like, I cannot just wake up and stand. I have to wake up, open my eyes, breathe, stretch, relax, and still I have to not be around people. I cannot talk with people. I need to function first. Need my brain awake first. So I'm just lying down in the bed while I process things. And then I see my aunt opens the door again, this time with a plate full of breakfast and gives it to him. And that triggered me. And I'll tell you why. Okay, so he got the breakfast and now he's scrolling on his phone with the highest volume possible. But I am still waking up. Suddenly I'm hearing that Punjabi songs, right? Like those. It's so loud and oh, this is not the time for it. And I tell him very dearly, like, please take the volume down, and he snapped back at me. I'm already triggered, yet I'm speaking to him very dearly, like I'm being the adult, and he snaps back at me. Like, क्या है? 50 बार बोल दिया, बार बार बोले जा रही है, आवाज मत कर, आवाज मत कर. Oh my god, इतनी भी अक्ल नहीं है उसको. I could have fought back and ruined my day, but I chose not to. That's what I've learned all my life, to be more patient. I am the most short-tempered person, yet I've learned to be patient in most cases for my own good. And then he says, "Ut to gayi hai. You've woken up." Like, I just opened my eyes. And then he's blasting that reels on full volume. Anyways, I let all these things be. But the breakfast thing, why it triggered me was because I wanted to be a doctor. Doctor. That was the only thing that I knew I was passionate about, and I only dreamt of that one thing. And it brought back the days when I was trying to prepare, living in the same house, sitting on the same desk. I was expected to take care of the house, clean and keep the house clean, make my own breakfast, clean the vessels, like the plates that I used to make breakfast, make myself my tea. And whenever I sat to study and I'd be called for work, and I'd say I'm studying, oh, बहुत पढ़ लिया, बहुत पढ़ के उखाड़ लिया. Get dialogues like these. Well, being discriminated isn't something that I look forward in my life, but I wish I hadn't gone through it. I wish people around me were more loving and supportive. I wish they were not competitive and looked down at me. I know I'm so much better now, consciously, but deep down, all the unhealed trauma comes back and takes over from time to time, and every single day living with the same people in the same circumstances still trigger. And I wish and hope nobody else goes through that. Okay. You're so much stronger than you think you are.